The Auditor General was probing key government contracts when he was asked to proceed on leave. This included a controversial Kroll and Associates contract involving the senior minister.
Yoko should go to PPA and find out why did they ratify it. I don't see why they are on the back of my staff. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, they've invited my deputies and several officers. I think it's one of the intimidating principles or approaches being used. But then I want to assure them that they can come and jail me. We will not stop doing what we are doing. I've said it time and again that I don't fear any attack on my office. And I'm not alone anyway. Let me share with you for you to know that it is usually the fate of auditors general. I have a cartoon from the Auditor General in Kenya where he's sitting on his seat and people are cutting so to remove him, and they say they can't figure out how to do this. I have several other examples where I don't want to mention the name of this, but the president has almost put a ban on the Auditor General because the Auditor General is exposing him too much.
In another African country.
So it is all over. The independence of the Auditor General.
Mr. Domelevo insisted the directive was unlawful. The presidency further extended the leave from 123 days to 167. This effectively meant the Auditor General was never coming back, since by the time the days elapsed, he would have been due for retirement. 9 civil society organizations, including the CDD Ghana, took the matter to the Supreme Court. They contended that the directives were unlawful since the president does not have the power to exercise such disciplinary control over independent bodies. The Apex Court agreed with this view. In a unanimous decision it described as unconstitutional the directive from the presidency that asked Mr. Domelevo to proceed on leave. The court also said it was unconstitutional for the president to appoint an acting Auditor General while there was a substantive Auditor General. It, however, opted not to issue any other orders since the Auditor General had already proceeded on leave and retired.